Canva is a tool that can be used for presentations, posters, infographics, and several things for teaching and learning. And as we are in the virtual school now, this could be a really good resource. For Canva, you could sign up using your Google account, your RVIS account. So just click on it and sign up with your RVIS account. I already signed up, so it would not ask me for all the details that it would ask you if you have a new account. In Canva, you can have a team, and in your team, you can have people either just view as it does in Google, or you can have people edit. If you go to your home page, it appears like this, and you can see all your designs by clicking on here. These are things I had done previously. This bookmark was done for grade 4 cooking class, and it was shared with Mr. Blackburn. You can create your own team where you can collaborate with other teachers or even collaborate with your class. In Canva, you can upload your pictures from your computer. So say for instance, I want to upload this advisory pictures, and I bring it in, and then I want to make a new, I want to create a new, I would say create a new poster. Go into your uploads to see what you have to use if you want to create a blank. So I'm going to use my picture here for my advisory and pull it out and use some big fonts to say we're going to have an advisory meeting on Tuesday. So I'm going to change these chairs to advisory. I can share this with other collaborators. I can invite Fedora to this, and she would get an email. It says my design has been shared, and I can invite her into my team. You would get this as an email from Canva, but it will tell you that I have invited you. And this is a great tool to use for, elementary and secondary school. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.